Hi, my name is Kenson. I'm a rising senior at Summit Rainier High School, and my starter project was the mini POV. And so how it works is when you turn on the LEDs, you wave it in the air and it creates an image. So this is what it looks like when it's on. So it'll boot up, it'll have a little sequence, and then it'll start flashing colors. And right now it doesn't look like anything because I'm not waving it in the air, but it'll make an image. So how it works is that it has 8 RGB LEDs down here to make the image. And the microcontroller is right here. It controls the whole thing. There's a potentiometer over here to control the speed of the flashing lights. And a USB-B port over here to add your own custom images from a computer. And the challenge that I found while doing this project was putting in the battery leads. I found that the wire from the battery holder they gave you was really fragile. So when I first put it in, it came off. So I had to solder a new wire onto the battery holder and put it in. And now it works.